How to use PK fertilizer for plants complete guide. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will tell you how to use PK fertilizer for plants and when it is most effective. PK fertilizer contains phosphorus, P, and potassium, K. These two nutrients are very important for strong roots, healthy flowers, and better fruits. Benefits of PK fertilizer. Phosphorus helps plants to develop strong roots, improve flower formation, increase energy in the plant. Potassium helps plants to make flowers and fruits stronger, improve plant immunity, protect plants from diseases and stress. PK fertilizer is best for flowering plants, fruit plants, weak plants with fewer flowers. When to use PK fertilizer? Use PK fertilizer when buds start appearing, flowering begins, fruit formation starts. Do not use it on very small or newly planted plants. How to use PK fertilizer liquid method. Take 1 liter of water, add 1 gram or 1/4 teaspoon PK fertilizer, mix it very well. Now, water the soil near the roots. Do not pour directly on leaves. Use this solution once every 15 days. How to use PK fertilizer soil method. Take a very small pinch of PK fertilizer, sprinkle it away from the stem. On moist soil, water the plant after applying. Important tips: never overdose. PK fertilizer, always water the plant before fertilizing. Do not use PK fertilizer daily. Use gloves while handling fertilizer. Too much PK can burn roots and damage the plant. Conclusion: if you use PK fertilizer correctly, your plants will give more flowers, better fruits, and stronger growth. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.